Today, we're packing everyone in the truck and heading to the northernmost point of the Outer Banks, North Carolina, the four-wheel drive beaches of Carova, after our morning bike ride and lunch, of course. So let's go on an adventure. If we're lucky, we may even see the wild horses of Carova.
Leisurely bike ride? It's perfect biking temperature.
Oh yeah.
It's really warm in the sun. There's a nice breeze. Now yesterday we had the wind to compete with on our bike ride. That made it a little difficult on the way back.
Yeah, well I thought we had the wind with us going back too, but it feels like it's in my face.
Yeah. But yesterday was a much harder bike ride back. Also could be because we were a bit more tired from the margaritas and the fish tacos. Today was a relatively flat bike ride. We went in a different direction than we did yesterday. But it's gorgeous out.
With over 200 sunshine-filled days per year in the Outer Banks, there are so many reasons to get outdoors, even in the fall. From boardwalks and sand dunes to beaches and nature trails, if you love the outdoors, then the Outer Banks is the perfect vacation destination for you.
I hear dogs barking. Is that our dogs?
I guess I'm willing to bet they are barking or at least walking, but
Question is, are they barking or are they howling?
yeah, Chloe's a howler. He's like got himself a howler!
Oh no! Look everyone! Weasley's got himself a howler!
Time for a lunch break. It's like a Jolly Rancher.
Yeah.
Interesting.
Doo-doo on the road when we're riding the bikes around.
You gotta watch out for poop on the roads with your bike.
It's
Ugh.
not horse poop, it's
Dog poop.
That was in a bag. That's
Yeah,
bad.
that's like they made an effort, but then they gave up. So what are they called?
What is it? Cheesy chips.
Cheesy chips. You got the voodoo, and I got the mermaid water, coconut shrimp, French fries. French fries.
Your hand cut potato chips.
Yeah, they look like they're fresh made potato chips. They actually look really good.
Yeah, they are.
Got a view up here of NC12, Timbuktu Shopping Center. And over there is our development, Buck Island. A little windy up here though. Who's excited to go to the beach?
From our beach house in Buck Island, the 4x4 beaches of Carova are only a 10-minute drive.
We're on our way to the 4x4 beach. Go to the beach.
Once your tires hit the sand, it's up to you how far up the 12-mile stretch you'd like to go.
Made it to the beach. Have the whole place to ourselves.
Have we gotten on the beach every day?
I think so, yeah. Yeah, every day.
Carova's four-wheel drive beaches are the northernmost point of North Carolina's Outer Banks, and arguably the most beautiful, due in part to their natural beauty and the freely roaming wild horses of Carova.
Oh, he's so cute. Oh, you're such a cutie pie.
If you can't already tell, Chloe, our 13-and-a-half-year-old yellow Labrador retriever, had the time of her life at the beach. Next to our swimming pool, the beach is her favorite place to be, and we're so happy we got to make these memories with our girls. Our time together in the Outer Banks was better than any other trip we could have taken.
Daddy get you up?
Oh, good girl.
Thumb kiss? Oh, good girl. Oh.
When it comes to the wild horses, Carova has a no feed, no approach campaign. The wild horses can be spotted along the beaches, the dunes, and throughout the beachside neighborhoods. If you encounter the wild horses of Carova, you must stay at least 50 feet away from the horses at all times. When the horses approached our parked vehicle on the beach, we did not move or engage the horses in any way. If you are in a mobile vehicle, it's best to just remove yourself to protect both the horses and you.
It's 5 o'clock somewhere, but here it is actually 5 o'clock, and it's time to leave the beach. Time to go in search of dinner, clean up, get something to eat. High tide came in and basically took away our...
Ruined everything. They must be up here.
Ruined everything, yeah. Took our spot. I think we're upset to leave the beach. We've got someone back there wistfully pining away for the beach out the window. What's wrong, Chloe? You didn't want to leave the beach? You like the beach? I'm a beach dog, Dad. Beach dog. Oh, look at the horses.